seguimos donde dejamos. Mira, bites. Ahora están cogiendo leche. Pero aquí donde tú ven. Mira los diferentes colores. Este fue. I don't know if this one was. Yeah, this was the last one, I think so. Este tiene una pinta blanca aquí en el pecho, white spot in the chest. The one I'm keeping right here. Bro, este todo negro. This is the one that's all black. Beautiful. Look at that. Even the balls, bro, the tiny little balls. Now we look at this one. Gorgeous. Brown, black spots. Crazy. Let's look at that. Let's try to flip it around. Man, I don't want to. It's almost like abusive to flip it. Oh my god, yeah, I'm sorry. So sorry. This is a beautiful dog right here too. Look at this one. Crispy blonde. Like, this is like a blonde. Like, yeah, like a blonde, brown. I don't know, man. This one's crispy, beautiful. I don't know if this one has any. I know I'm not carrying it too well right now. I got it way bigger. They don't even fit in my hand like that anymore. I don't know how this motherfucker looks at the bottom. As you can see, they haven't opened their eyes yet. Oh, look at that. That's crazy. Damn. I mean, right now they're feeding, so. Look at that one all the way in there. Are you feeding, sir? No, you're not. Now I can check you out. Yeah, bro, look at this one. All black, even under nothing. Sorry. This is a girl. This is the only girl. This is the only girl that's, yeah, that doesn't have any spots. La única hembra que no tiene pinta. Esta es negra enterita. Beautiful though. There. No tiene los ojos abiertos, ninguno todavía. Nada. Look at that. Bro, almost though. Casi tiene los ojos abiertos. Almost, I can see that shit, I don't know. I'm trying to look at some other ones. Mira, vamos a ver that one. Over here. So sorry. That one over here, just by the butt, nigga. This is the biggest one, the boy. Fuck, nigga, look at this. This nigga's like, bruh, that's like a size 7.5, 8 almost. This nigga's huge, bro. He's like definitely the biggest one. Look at this nigga's head. Sorry, Noah. Trying to show off your biggest baby here. I think this one was the 4th one born. The 4th one to be born. Oh my god, no, sorry. No, so hold on. This was the 4th one to be born. The 5th one. Damn, Noah, about to yank that nigga's neck. Chill. Yeah, this motherfucker is huge, gorgeous, bro. Look at this. It's a fucking bean bag, bro. I'm so sorry. No. Yeah, this one's on my key. Look at that. Got like fucking mitts on. This one, bro. This one's like all fucking brown, man. It's crazy. I would show this one off more, but it's obviously feeding.